Alright, you guys, so we are here in beautiful Pandora and it's hot, it's sunny, so we're gonna go to Pongu Pongu and get the night blossom drink, and we're also gonna get the Pongu lumpia. I'm gonna try it out and show you guys what it says, so we'll see you here in a little second.
We got our drinks and we actually did 2 different drinks. This non-alcoholic is called the Night Blossom, so I'm gonna try that one first. Put this one down.
But you can add alcohol if you want.
Oh yeah, you can add alcohol to this, but we did it without. It's a frozen beverage. It has pear, limeade, boba, like it has everything. It's like, it's gonna be really refreshing, I'm hoping, because it's so hot. This is so good. Oh my god. It's definitely gonna hit the spot right now because it's so hot. It's already melting. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm gonna try one of the little bubbles. I'm not really. It's actually really good. It tastes like it has some type of orange flavor to it, but with this heat, this is definitely good. Now let me put that down and grab number 2.
For the adults in the room.
Because we're a little double fisting here. But this one is the Moa Margarita. This one does have alcohol, so you can tell the 2 different straws. Let me try this one. Ooh, I can smell the tequila from here, you guys. Oh yeah. Can I get some Splenda?
Splenda.
This is really good. But I think I'm getting a little brain freeze already just from chugging that one.
It's so hot, guys.
It's so hot, you guys, today. Like my hair's already up and everything. But I think.
Hey, what is that? What is that?
Really good.
What's that? What is that? Is that a ring?
Yes.
Go check out another video. So this is the pineapple lumpia from Avatar Land here in Animal Kingdom. You can only get it here. Everybody wants to try it, so obviously we had to try it. So let's see again. It's kind of weird, lumpia with pineapple and cream cheese.
Crazy.
I usually have with chicken, but we'll see. Oh yeah.
Can I see that?
Really flaky, crunchy. The pineapple is so good. It's like it's not overcooked. The pineapple is pretty fresh. It's like sliced out of the pineapple, straight from the pineapple. Yeah. It's really good, guys. Definitely come try this at Pongu Pongu.
Satu'li Canteen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but aquí tenemos steamed hot cheeseburger. I'm gonna pick it up so you guys can see. Mira, with some sweet potato fries, coleslaw, and some boba. So I'm gonna have a piece of this. Qué rico. I don't know. I could taste the beef or the cheeseburger of it, but this is like, it's really good. It's really good, but the texture is so off. I wasn't expecting that texture. Like a whole top bun covered it. Love it.
Alright, you guys, so I got the combination bowl with beef and chicken. We got some potato hash. You can switch it up for quinoa and some other options. And I got some onion vinaigrette. So let's try this a little bit.
Yummy?
This is actually my favorite plate from the Disney parks. It's so delicious. The roast beef, the chicken, the vinaigrette. I love sweet potato hash. So this is just so good. The whole combination of it. If you guys come to Animal Kingdom, you definitely have to check this place out. It's so good. It's only by mobile order right now.
Yeah.
So you guys want to eat here, you have to get your mobile order before you're allowed to come in here. So it just keeps everything, not people just sitting here hiding from the heat because it is hot.
Oh yeah, that's true.
So just come in here, either two options, really good. So bye.